Hello everyone. So I have come up with today's Hindu editorial words. As you can see here, I have jotted down the words today for you. So let's dig into it. First editorial which uh, I found interesting to read was Simple Ways to Better Counts of Omicron in India. These are the words: severity, genomic, INSACOG, which is not a word. Basically, it is a full form, and I wrote it so that you can just go through it and remember it. And the last word is very. All the meanings are there, all the words are there, so you are never going to find any problem while reading the editorial. I promise you that. Try this. My document ko I'm saving it in description box so that you can go to my drive and you can easily access the document, the PDF, so there will be no problem. Under Modi 2.0, a course corrected foreign policy. It is again a very very interesting article. बहुत अच्छा लिखा है editor ने. And these are the words which comprehend in the article: conciliatory, imperious, calibrated, overtures, irking, clad, smeared, imperiousness. All right, so these are the words, these are the meanings. There are synonyms also. एक word यहाँ पर आया था, holier than though rhetoric, जो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा भी हुआ है. This has a very different reference. It is something that having or showing the annoying attitude of people who believe that they are morally better than the other people. जो कि आजकल, if we talk about today's time, it happens a lot. We try to show ourselves better than each other. More specifically that the other person is not good or the other person is not right, I am right. Basically, we do not understand others' perspective. It's basically 6 or 9 kind of attitude. What I say is like 6, I am saying 6 and the other person is saying 9. Both are correct in their own unique way. So we tend not to, put other person or our perspective on other person. So it is just very interesting word, holier than though rhetoric. सो प्लीज़ मार्क कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा वर्ड है और आपको इसका मीनिंग लर्न हो जाए. देन आई हैव ऑल्सो, एज माई चैनल सेज, अ कोट अ डे. सो डेली आई बी ऑल्सो मैंशनिंग अ कोट. लकीली आज जब मैं अपना आर्टिकल पढ़ रही थी, विच इज़ द लास्ट वन, अ क्रिसमस ऑफ grief in Mon. So this is basically an article related to AFSA, which is Armed Forces. Sorry, not AFSA. Basically, it relates to the Assam people, to the tribe which is living there. And there's a fight going on between AFSPA and the tribes, which is Armed Forces Special Powers Act. So this is also a very interesting article, although a very lengthy one. It takes a little time to actually jot down all the words and find out their meaning. So I am doing it for you, and you can simply just take out the document and just wherever you feel you find difficulty, so you can actually take out the word and you can understand the article easily. Also, there are 23 words that I was telling you ki there are 23 words in the article. And there might be times when you feel that I have not written particular word meaning, or this word, any particular word you might find difficult, which I don't find difficult. I am, known to that word. I'm familiar with that word. So you can just simply write down in the comment that please find out or take care of such things. So I will make sure that I will do that, because this is basically a cumulative project. I don't think that I can alone completely complete this thing. Also, please make sure that you are subscribing to the channel, so that first of all it will give me motivation to keep doing this work. Also, it will definitely kind of enhances your knowledge. Whenever I make this video, it will be delivered directly. You don't have to search for it on Google or YouTube. You can directly get into your inbox the notification. So it will be an easier task for you. It becomes the easier task for you. So it's better that you like, subscribe, and share also. Also, as I said earlier, that my channel name is A Quote a Day. So luckily I found one quote today in the third editorial itself, which says, the future depends on what we do in the present. So they say that it is written on the Nagaland's entry, Nagaland's border while you're entering. Generally क्या होता है कि हमारे बोर्ड लगे होते हैं ना, वहाँ पर ये कोट लिखा हुआ है that the future depends on what we do in the present, which is a very, very important part. So what you are putting effort in today's time, how much effort you are putting in, it actually realize, it actually, shape your future. So make sure whatever you're doing, it is shaping your future, not ruining your future. And I am not saying that you only study, it completely on you, what kind of genre you have, or what kind of arcana you think that you have. So it is completely an individual's thought process and choice that you should rely on. I am no one to guide you or mentor you, although I can definitely help you. So also I'll be starting one thing today, which is today's word. So I forgot to write down in the PDF, but just for enhancing your knowledge, today's word is chary. So it is not CHERRY, it is basically CHARY. Alright, which means cautiously or suspiciously reluctant to do something. So this exact word, we have got so many synonyms today in the same article. Today I was writing very, WARY, this very, this means same, this has the same, skeptical or apprehensive, this has the same meaning. This also means chary also. So if you want to just add on some synonyms, you can do that. We have skeptical also. अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. हमारे पास ये same word आया, skeptical, ये this skepticism, which is doubt as truth of something, questioning about something, which is also vary, which is also chary. These all words are same. Cautious, careful. So these all are synonyms. So you get to know one more word with you, and thank you all of you. This work brings a lot of satisfaction, a lot of happiness, a lot of content in me while I'm posting the video, because it makes me feel that I am helping out people who are facing the same kind of problem that I used to do. So I hope that I am doing a bit of it, and if you like it, please comment and do positive commenting, because negative commenting cannot do any good part to you as well as for me. So do not waste even writing do not waste those seconds in writing about me or my work. Thank you so much. Again, like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys. Take care.